All right, good morning, Facebook. Gary Stelly from KOGT Radio, and we are getting back into town. Drove in from Beaumont on I-10. Looks like part of the sign is missing off of First State Bank, but not too bad as we pull in. Of course, the first thing we noticed driving in was that a lot of the power was out, and but the road I-10 was was clear, except for on top of the overpass over on Main Street in Vidor. There was a construction sign that was sticking out on the road, and since I am driving, I'm not able to read a bunch of your comments there, so I apologize for that. But I thought I'd give you a kind of a look of what we're seeing so far. I've already had several other folks that we work with have checked out some of the roads, and got to tell you, and I'm hoping you're hearing me okay. Somebody say yes if you are. We dodged a pretty big bullet, I think. Overall, this has been nothing like we had for Rita. I'm not saying we didn't get some damage, but certainly not like Rita. And so far I have run into no water problems whatsoever. This is, of course, it's still dark, so it's hard to see a lot of things, but looking as we go, I am on Strickland Drive, headed towards, I'm sorry, take that back. I'm on MLK, headed to Strickland Drive. Thank you, Mike. City of Pinehurst building looks okay. There's a sign, it's a construction sign and a power line that I just went through. Wow, okay, we got some damage here. I am in front of Lucy's, and let me see if I can turn in here real quick, and y'all work with me here, because that was my dog that just hit the floorboard. All right, we've got a roof, part of a roof down here in front of Lucy's. Lucy, right now I don't see any glass broken, but again, that is a part of a roof that you're looking at there. But again, I do not see any glass. I am thinking, guys, right now, that it looks like this roof may be coming either from this building here, which is next door to the Lucy's building, Liz Hogan's building. Yeah, because look on the top of that roof right there. I believe that is the roof off of Liz Hogan's building that we're seeing here. Let me see if I can stretch back out. And looks like it went across the road. Either that, or it's the roof off of the big Johnson's mini storage, but I think it's this roof over here. I can hear some noises of some metal flapping in that area there, so that's kind of a bad spot. As you can see, some of the debris. I'm turning back on MLK. Oh yeah, okay, there's Johnson's. There's Johnson's. So the roof is missing there. That's where my boat is. So there's roof missing there. There's roof missing next here to the building next to it. One of the portable buildings is on the other side of the street. That, I don't think that was there before. So again, bear with me with the live video. I hope I'm doing okay. All right, Lana Griffith's place looks pretty good. Sign is still up. Here comes one of our local police officers from Pinehurst. Of course, the lights are still out. You got some lights hanging like that right there. Traffic lights are hanging Got another one. Wow, it's a bad one right here. It's actually hanging down, would hit your vehicle. There's a piece there. This is over at the Salvation Army. Still dark, but I don't see anything real visible at this point. And looks like there could be some trees down here on the back side of the Salvation Army. We're on Strickland. Robert's Meat Market looks pretty good at first look. Sign still up. There is a tree down. This is on the other side. Trees and power lines down on, I believe that's going to be what, 37th? So that is totally not passable right there. About to get to Sabine Credit Union. Again on Strickland. Reporting to you live here on KOGT. Looks like maybe a little bit of tree damage, but don't see any other roofing debris on the ground. At least not initially. Again, still a little dark. But again, Sabine Federal Credit Union looks, oh my. Potter's Mirror Glaze, not good, not good. Potter's Mirror Glaze is completely down. Someone's driving around the back side, so you can use the lights there to see. That is gone. This building that's in the front is also has been damaged pretty well. Still pretty breezy, I might add, as well. You can see part of the building back there in the back. Wow, I'm sorry, Mr. Potter. Man's worked his ass off, and guy's got to deal with that. It is not good back there. Man just celebrated his 50th anniversary in business. I hate that for him. Oh, that makes me sick to my stomach right there, folks. All right. Strickland is where we're headed, and this part looks pretty clear. Not much debris at all. Still very breezy, now blowing pretty hard here. Some gusts, but as you can see, there is no flooding. No water whatsoever. We really dodged a bullet on that, and I've already talked with some folks in the downtown area, and they're all pretty good down there too, which was, of course, was a big concern. Talked with Constable Brad Fry in Bridge City. He's going to report back. He does report some damage around the 408 Round Bunch area, is what he told me earlier. There's one of the billboards down right before you get to the corner of Strickland and Martin. You see power lines hanging there from the street lights. Family Dollar to my left looks pretty good. Auto parts store looks like it survived. There's some damage over here on some garage doors that are down, not too bad. Let's take a look here at All Points. Sherry, your place looks like it's pretty good. Don't see any real damage. Got a sign bent down there, and the fence is bent, but so far not seeing a tremendous amount of broken glass, which is good. All right, while we have a little bit of a break right here, are we doing this good? Is it going well? Somebody say yeah. Please don't ask me. I'm driving live, so don't ask me about a neighborhood. I'm just getting into town. This is the hospital. Look, everything, they got emergency personnel standing by. Everything looks pretty good. Looks like maybe a little bit of the Baptist sign up top up there has been damaged. Got more power lines down here. At this intersection here where the Home Depot is. Home Depot looks pretty good shape. Don't see anything out there. Trees are down here in front of the old hospital. But again, don't see any real physical damage. Got some trees down here at the energy lot. Chili's looks pretty good. CVS looks pretty good. Dairy Queen looks like just their overhang right there kind of came down. Other than that, looks pretty good. Let's see over here. Matthews Jewelers Orange looks pretty good. Looks like the little decorative trees in front might have come down. Other than that, not too bad. Pinehurst Barbecue. Oh, guys, Pinehurst, I believe they're missing some of their, it looks like they might be missing some of their glass. Guadalajara looks good. Bridge City Bank, first look looks good. G-Tech, lights are still on. Probably must have a generator. Starting to see a little better. Starting to see better that way. Brighten up a little bit. But definitely, as I drive into town, there's definitely a lot more breeze for sure. Again, this is Gary reporting live here on KOGT. Whoa, we got one trailer down that's been flipped over here at Granger RV. Brother Al, that's all I see so far is one, so not bad there. This is the car wash. Their canopies are a little torn up. But otherwise, not too bad. Donut Place survived. Looks like Subway did okay. The Sonic sign looks like it's torn up, but otherwise, okay. Granger lot on the north side. Don't see any real damage. Any cars flipped over. La Cantina looks okay. This is Granger Chevrolet here. Looks pretty good. I don't see any sign damage. Don't see any real cars flipped over or anything. All right, looks like we got some sign damage here at the mattress headquarters. You can see that there. O'Deal's. Looks like there's some roof damage on the top of O'Deal's, but your Stephanie, looks like all your glass is intact. Burger King is fine. Wienerschnitzel lost a sign. Rambo Outdoors looks good. Not bad, folks. I'm telling you, for what they were predicting for us to have, not bad at all. Looks like some damage here to this red place there. They had some Mexican food, got some debris here in the road. There's some other debris here. I'm trying to figure out where it's. Okay, okay, we got a post sign down. And make sure there's no wires. KFC, Domino's. Again, really glad to see doesn't appear to be much glass breakage at all. I know that's bad for the glass company, but it's good for the businesses. All right, R&R looks good except for that sign being bent. Wow, the new guy that's got the new, you can see that in the back, the guy that just put out the new portable buildings and such, he's lost a few of those. Again, I'm on MacArthur Drive. I started over on MLK, came down Strickland, and now on MacArthur Drive. Fixing to go across the bridge here. Again, let me show you the water. Not too bad, not too high. A little bit. But have not seen, again, I came in from Beaumont, did not have any water problems at all. Getting close to the intersection of MacArthur and Green and 16th. Sabine River Ford, let's check them out. I know they had a lot of damage before from Harvey, so let's hope that, looks like Peak Clearance Place is okay. I'm just going to go ahead and go this way real quick, down Green. And again, I'm not able to read your comments, guys, because I'm showing you this at the same time. Oh,